Another MuggyWeld.com testimonial. You gotta love a welding shop that will do anything they can to get the job done. Andrew from Midwest Welding wrote, "When the customer tightened the bleeder valve NTP, it cracked the top portion of the heat register. We drilled and tapped a piece of cold rolled 836 steel and welded it to the register. Small cracks from the fracture started to show when we pressure tested. We were able to chase the cracks and get the old register back in working order for the customer. Great product. We know where to go for cast iron repair rod." Thank you, Andrew. Montana has a welding shop that's not afraid of a so-called impossible cast iron repair. Introducing Super Alloy 1 Rod and Flux. Take a broken spelter clock or a wounded zinc statue to your local welding shop and you'll be shown the door, as these parts are turned away on a daily basis across North America. MuggyWeld.com customer Arnold Madnick emailed his success story photos using the low temperature, easy to use Super Alloy 1 Rod and Flux to solder the so-called unrepairable white metals. Arnold found the Super Alloy 1 very helpful in bringing the spelter clock cases and bronze statue clocks back to life. Arnold has been instrumental in spreading the word to the spelter clock community. And thank you, Arnold, for your photo and video testimonial. Here's a cast iron testimonial using the SSF6 silver brazing rod. This is my 1940 Royal Enfield WDCO. It was a British Army motorcycle in World War II. It was leaking pretty badly through a crack in the cylinder head. Crack went through to the rocker box. I used SSF6 to braze the crack and it couldn't have been simpler. The rod flows really nicely. Great stuff. Thanks a million, John. John, thank you for your testimonial. If you or someone you know has been told to toss a rare zinc-based part or an expensive cast iron part, the answer is right in front of you. You gotta Muggy Weld it.